What's up, guys? We got another water heater to replace. We're gonna go ahead and flush it first, get all the sediment out. We're running it into the tub until it's clear, because there's a whole bunch of gunk, rust at the bottom of the tank. That's the way they were running it. All the carbon monoxide escaping into the attic space. This is the route we have to take. We got this step right here. We got to go over the duct. Good thing is it's on the first story. So my helper's turning off the water right now. They've got a gate valve here. We don't like to touch these because they'll get stuck. And we're gonna add a male adapter over here. Tie in 2 flexes. And as soon as he turns off the water, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these and unscrew them. That way we can get the water heater flowing. Because if not, it's gonna get stuck in the vacuum. There he is. He just turned it off. And it stopped flowing into the tank. So now we're going to turn on some fixtures downstairs. Before cutting into these lines, I'm letting the water run so they can depressurize. You don't want it squirting everywhere. Open the TP. It'll give it some air. Alright, so it's hard piped, and we gotta unscrew this, so I'll just make a cut right here, and it's one less cut. This one came out, this one didn't. It's frozen shut. They're together. It's just filling up right now. I can pull the TMP to get some air. Get some air out of the tank. Should be good. We have the tubs on. I'm just gonna go ahead and light it. Switch that there. Gotta get up on the roof. Push that down. See if you're gonna push that collar down. You can see some light, and that's why. I'm gonna put some silicone around there. That's it, all around, straight bead. It should stop it from all leaks. We got this collar on the flashing, and that's where the water would come from. All right, so this water heater is all set. It's set to the temperature it's supposed to be. So pretty much what we did, it was hard piped with CPVC all the way. We added this flex, added this male adapter here and here. It already has a valve going to the cold side. Right there. We gave it enough time to dry. Tighten our TMP. Last thing to do is secure the vent. So I gotta get on top of the heater and do that.